Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. First off, I would just like to thank everyone for understanding that I needed some time off after my sister passed away. It has been a very hard time for me, and I have to say it's been much harder than I anticipated. It's just been really difficult time, and so I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. I love making the YouTube excuse me. I love making the YouTube videos. It's just been difficult to do anything pretty much. So I'm back. I'm just pushing myself to get back and start doing the things that I enjoy doing. But anyway, today's video is about the mystery loom along. Now, some people might be crocheting it along, and some people might be knitting along. But I'm looming it, and so are some other people. So I'm calling it the mystery loom along. But if you're new to the channel and you don't know about this, there are some videos earlier in this series, and this video does go into a playlist. And in the earlier videos, it tells about the loom along and how to make the circles and things like that, all the needed information. And this is a project that you can join in at any time. You're not behind. You don't have to try to catch up. It's a no stress project. Don't stress if you don't think you're behind and stress on that. Just work at your own pace. The videos will be there, and get to them when you get to them. So what I have been doing is just making a bunch of circles and keeping them in my basket. And I usually just grab a little basket and some turquoise or spring green yarn, because I know that's what I need the most circles of. And I take that with me in the car when I'm riding with someone. So I have been making circles, and I need to stop and put some rows together to see where I'm at on that. But so in today's video, we are getting row 13. Now, row 13, this color sequence is 6 turquoise, 2 spring green, 1 dark green, 12 turquoise, 14 citron, and 5 turquoise. Now, below in the description box below this video, there will be a link to the color bar for row 13. Please check that out and go by that color sequence. I very well could have messed up. I've done it before. And then I even questioned something on here, so please go by that. Color sequence of the bar. And also below will be a link to LlamaMamaKayla Facebook page, and that's where we can share pictures of the progress of your blanket, progress of any projects you're working on, share with the whole group, and we would just love to see your projects. I'm not on Facebook a whole lot, but when I do get on there, I check the group and see what people are up to and enjoy seeing everyone's projects that they're working on. So it's a short video, and I just thank you for coming back and watching, and we will just keep plugging along on this blanket. And there will be a new video out next weekend and the next weekend, because I'm going to go ahead and make a bunch of the videos now and just schedule them to go up. So they will be coming out regularly. All right, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you all very much. Like I said, thank you so much for your understanding, and I'm happy to be back with you all. Thanks guys.